close, that time stands still in this gentle embrace. We find our will as sunlight fades and the stars appear. Our love shines bright with nothing to fear. Through the ups and the downs, we've weathered the storm. In the tapestry of life, love keeps us warm. With every heartbeat, we weave our song in this moment together where we both belong. In the morning light, we share a smile. So that like these make it all worthwhile. With every whisper and every glance, we find the magic in this sweet dance. So take my hand, let's savor the now. In this fleeting time, we'll make our vow. With every heartbeat, this love will grow. In the stillness of night, let our fears flow. Sunsets, we colors ignite, reflecting our love in soft shining light. In your gestures, we find our song. In this precious moment where we both belong.
Paintbrush in my hand, colors swirl around. Feel the ocean sand, time just knows no bounds. Oh, let's take it slow. Life's a gentle breeze. Drift with me in dreams, our own pace in loops that unwind, crafting simple joys, peace of mind. From paper to clay, every piece unique. In the rhythm of calm, we find what we see. Oh, let's paint our world with tunes that resonate. Create a vibrant space where dreams await.
Studio, light up the show. Catch a wave, let your spirit glow. Terracing Studio, crafting our dreams. Feel the rush when living supreme. Join the journey to roost and groove. Build it up, we're on the move.
Terracing Studio, feel the thrill today. Adventures on the longest day.
Terracing Studio, where dreams come to play.